Good PM, ngayon po ay Monday, March 31, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, March 31, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong March 31, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, March 31, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for March 31, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, March 31, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.